My name is Reverend Dr. Barry King, and I'd like to thank you for joining me today. I have a spiritual life affirmation I'd like to share with you, and it's called I Am a Child of the Divine. I am cherished, supported, and loved by the infinite presence. I rest in the truth that I am beloved of the divine, now and always. Within each of us dwells the spark of divine creation, eternal, perfect, and pure. We are not distant from God. We are born of divine love itself. When we remember our origin, fear and doubt dissolve, displaced by the knowing that we are always held in the arms of Spirit. You are not alone in this universe. You are a beloved child of the divine, guided, nourished, and held in infinite love. Within your heart glows the eternal spark of Spirit, a reminder that your worth is not earned but inherent. As a child of the divine, we are guided, protected, and nurtured through every experience. Nothing is random. Everything serves our awakening. To walk in this awareness is to live a quiet confidence, knowing that love has already provided all that we need. Thank you for allowing me to share. I wish you love, joy, and happiness.